Hi and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Ikram bin Mohammed Nasir and I will be presenting about process of transpiration and its significance in water movement within vascular plants. So before we start, this is our group members. For my name is Muhammad Ikram, and there are also Aizam Yusuf, there are also Faris Azim, and Hazik Zikri, and Ammar bin Jamaluddin. For the first one is importance of transportation in nutrient uptake. Transpiration plays a role in the process of nutrient uptake in plants by driving the movement of water and dissolve nutrient from the soil to various parts of the plants. For the first one is creates a pool for water movement. For the second one is facilitates nutrient transport, and the third one is maintain a steady flow of nutrient. So without transpiration, plants would struggle to move water and nutrient effectively, leading to nutrient deficiencies and impaired growth. Okay, for the next point is cooling mechanism in vascular plants. Cooling mechanisms in vascular plants are essential for maintaining optimal physiological processes, especially in response to environmental stressors like high temperatures. So here are the primary cooling mechanisms employed by vascular plants. For the first one is transpiration, and the second one is water storage in plant. So for the next one is how to maintain health of plant. Maintaining the health of vascular plants is crucial because they play foundational roles in ecosystems, human well-being, and environmental sustainability. Vascular plants are primary producers, converting sunlight into energy through photosynthesis, which support the entire food web and sustain biodiversity. It has sunlight and watering. There are also environmental conditions, which is temperature, humidity, light, wind, and soil moisture. For the first one is temperature. Higher temperature increase the rate of transpiration. For the second one is humidity. High humidity reduces transpiration as the gradient for evaporation is diminished. For the light is effect of light on transpiration can vary depending on the time of day and intensity. For the wind is excessive wind can lead to water loss that exceeds the plant's ability to absorb it, potentially causing desiccation. For the soil moisture is availability of water in the soil also influences transpiration. Okay, there are also plant morphology, that is leaf size, leaf shape, cuticle thickness, stomatal density, and trichomes like hair-like structures. For the leaf size is larger leaves provide more surface area for transpiration. Leaf shape, narrow leaves or needle-like structure as in conifers have a reduced surface area which minimize water loss. For the cuticle thickness is the waxy layer of the surface of leaves. Cuticle helps to minimize water loss. For the stomatal density, higher stomatal density typically increases respiration. For trichomes, reduce the speed of air movement near the surface. Okay, for the next point is water potential and hydraulic conductivity. There are water potential gradient, root hydraulic conductivity, xylem structure, hydraulic redistribution, and leaf water channels. For water potential gradient, water moves from high to low potential that are from soils, roots, leaves, and atmosphere, enabling continuous transpiration. For root hydraulic conductivity, roots adapt to larger surface area or more aquaponics that are water channels to improve water uptake, especially during droughts. For xylem structure is vessels that transport water upward. Hydraulic redistribution, some plants transfer water from wetter soil areas to drier ones, balancing moisture levels for transpiration. And the last one is leaf water channels. Regulate water movement within leaves, ensuring efficient transpiration under water-limited conditions. Okay, for the point of overall health of plants for vascular plants, they are divided into four that are vascular tissue. For the second one is cell wall. For the third one is root. For the fourth one is cuticle. For vascular tissue, made of xylem and phloem, moves water and nutrient, helping plants grow larger and support flowers and leaves. For the cell walls is vascular plants have strong cell wall with structure that transport water and nutrient long distances. For the roots anchor vascular plants and absorb nutrients and water. For the last one is cuticle. A waxy cuticle on vascular plants helps retain water. Transpiration also have process that is divided into four processes. For the first one is roots takes up water from the soil. For the second one is water is drawn up the stem to the leaves. For the third one is veins carry water into the leaf. And the last one is water evaporate from the leaf. Okay, for the last point is water movement also have its own significance, which are, for the first one is cool the plants. For the second one is part of the global water cycle. For the third one is move minerals. And the fourth one and the last one is makes water available for photosynthesis. So I think that is all from us. Thank you for watching.